In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can draw hot dog. I'm gonna guide you how you can do it and how to add detail, everything, using only free brush, and you can use only IbisPaint X or Procreate to do it. So let's start. Choose one layer, like I said always. Choose pencil, file it. In IbisPaint X you can file it and file it with color, so now it's more easy to draw hot dog. So let's start. So now we're gonna try to, this step is more important in drawing hot dog, you know. So you're gonna try to draw shape look close to banana, you know, because you drawing that meal, you know. It's more harder to draw it by your hand, but I'm doing it just to share that you can draw art with anything, and you can do good artwork with anything you have. So now I'm close to done with it, so let's add some detail here and this place. I want it to be in good shape, so take your time in this part if you want. It will be look good if you give it your time. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some final touch here in this place and here, and let's do it here, and that's it for me. So now I'm gonna add some bread. So choose color here. I'm choosing this one here. So choose new layer, because when you make a mistake you can remove it, and start. Like you see, I'm doing it now. So by the way, when you choose new layer, if you add it below, this shape will be below the artwork. When you add it up, it will be up the artwork. So be careful with this part, because you should know what you are doing. So I'm adding some final touch here. So let's do it, and just take your time, and if you have pencil it will be more easy. For me it will be more easy if that pencil is working good. So new layer, add it. Like you see, I'm adding it below because I want it to be behind the hot dog, you know. So now you can add some details here and there. It's more harder to add it manual, so, or automatic. It's more harder, but with pencil I think it's more easy for a lot of people to draw it. So you can use brush in IbisPaint X like I'm doing now. Just make it small and remove it with brush, so like I'm doing now. Now you can complete your drawing. Like you see, just zoom in to add some touch, like you see, and that's it. Like you see, it's hot dog now. So now the most important part for me is detail and background. So if you want to draw detail, add it up this chink, this red chink, or this male for anything. So now we're gonna add some remove file. Now like you see, it will be only lines, so add some lines look like wave, and you see this your hot dog. It's more cool. So let's complete what we're gonna do now. So next thing, you should know that you should make your details. So take your time in this part. I'm always trying to make it more good here, because this by the way, this it's essay artwork for beginners. So I'm doing this, it's only for beginners. You can draw it more quickly with my method. Now here I'm sharing all the tools that you need. You can use IbisPaint X and try. So like you see, I'm done with the hot dog. Now the more important part, like I said, detail and background. If you want background, just take your layer to below and add the color. For me I will add green. So like you see, green is not that much, so we're gonna work with blue. For me blue is good. So like you see, blue looking good. So now we're gonna go back to pencil, and we're gonna choose new layer to add details. So click here and add new layer all the way up, like you see. So Now choose color, you know, white for shadows if you want it to be 3D artwork. So I'm adding now shadows for 3D. Just complete with me and you're gonna understand. So now like you see, there is some detail. I'm adding some detail there, and also in this place I'm gonna add some detail. Yes, add it. Remove this file to help you more adding detail more quickly. So like you see, now we're gonna add some detail. Why I'm adding detail? Just to make it look more 3D, because I'm gonna draw something now. I'm drawing this thing for catch up, you know, but I don't like catch up. I'm gonna draw something for a hot thing, like, you know, just stay with me. So let's complete here. I'm adding some shadows, black shadows below to look more 3D, and I'm gonna add white for on the hot dog just to make it look more realistic. So take your time in this part, because it's important to your artwork if you want it to be 3D. Now we start in making it 3D. So let's complete here, and this part here I will make it. This part I'm gonna go back to it now, so stay with me. Now I'm gonna draw the ketchup bottle of water bottle, or so add new layer, choose red, you know it's ketchup, so I'm gonna choose new line because I'm not drawing shadows now, I'm drawing bottle. So you can add line but file it. You should file it if you want the color be below, but I will not file it because I'm trying to make shape, this shape for bottle. So now take your time, this should be good, you should make it good, look good on your drawing. So now you can file it, and it's file now. So complete your detail, add your detail. So I'm adding now detail, so I'm adding this thing. When you know this thing, you find it all in all the restaurant, you find it. So I'm gonna make it look more that I'm adding ketchup, or someone added ketchup on the hot dog. So take your time here because we want it to be 3D. So if you want to make it a circus, you can choose a circus or draw it as a circus, but I'm drawing it to look like it's adding to it, you know. We're gonna add some life to it to make a realistic thing. So take your time here. I'm adding this to make it look like it's already added on it. So like you see, now I'm gonna add some final touch to make it hot. So let's do it. Choose new pencil and add some detail. I don't know if I will add another detail here, or I'm gonna change the color, but I'm gonna add detail with dark red. So choose this, and you know this, we're gonna make it to look hot, ketchup or bottle. So just add, be creative in this part. For me, I didn't have a lot of time because I wanted the video to be short, so I didn't take a lot of time, but it looked good for me that you using only your hand and you drawing it. It's good artwork for me. So like you see, it now look more great. Like you see, look at what we create, it's look good. So let's add some details here. For details you can add that much you want. For me, I don't add a lot of things, because if you start adding details, you will end up making artwork in 2 hours or something. It's hard to make 2 hour artwork and no one watch it. So I'm doing my best to give you my passion here. I hope you enjoyed this video and hit that like, subscribe. I hope one day get one of my videos watch it by 10,000 people or 100,000 people. I hope this one day. So if you stay to this part, I wanted to say thank you for watching me and supporting my artwork. I hope to see you in other videos. I'm gonna start making a lot of things for you guys, and I'm gonna start developing my artwork and buying another tool. So see you in another video.